Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Dodge Viper Anniversary Edition. First, understand that these are limited production vehicles, making them quite rare. Begin by researching the specific anniversary models released over the Viper's production run. Each edition often features distinct paint, interior accents, or performance upgrades. Knowing these details helps you identify genuine examples and understand their value. To ensure you're getting an authentic anniversary edition, always verify the vehicle identification number, or VIN. This number can often confirm the car's original specifications. Pay close attention to unique badging, specific paint codes, and interior details that distinguish these special models. Connecting with Viper Enthusiast forums and specialized dealer networks can provide invaluable insights and lead you to potential sellers. When considering a purchase, be prepared for a premium price. These collectible cars can command well over $100,000 for pristine, low-mileage examples. Always arrange for a comprehensive pre-purchase inspection by a qualified Viper mechanic to assess its condition. Additionally, thoroughly review all service records and the vehicle's ownership history to ensure transparency and proper maintenance. Owning an Anniversary Edition Viper requires budgeting for specialized maintenance and potentially higher insurance costs due to its value and performance. Proper storage, such as in a climate-controlled garage, is crucial to preserve its condition and long-term value. Enjoying your Viper is key, but so is keeping it in top shape. And for more great deals, including a link to the smart speaker mentioned, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.